Hi guys and welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about tuples. Tuples are very similar to lists in that they are used to store multiple pieces of information. But there is a small subtle difference between tuples and lists. Let's jump right in. A tuple can be defined like this. Let's imagine you've got a short tuple that contains two of your friend names. You can just say Rolf, Bob. Notice that there are no square brackets now around these two strings, but there is a comma in between them. So you've got one string and then another string. This is a tuple. You can think of it as almost the same thing as a list, but I'll show you the difference in just a moment. It's often good form to put brackets around this. So this is a bit clearer. If you put brackets around the two strings like that, this is a little bit clearer that it's a tuple. And almost all of the time you're going to see tuples defined with the brackets around them. But remember that the brackets are not required in many cases, although there are some cases where they will be. And that is when Python cannot be sure if the comma is used to separate two things inside a tuple or something else. For example, here's an occasion where you will need to use the brackets, which is when you want to put a tuple inside a list. If you have a list and you want to put a tuple inside it, and you do it like this, you have not put a tuple inside the list. What you've done is you've created a list of two elements, as we saw in the last video. If you want to create a list with a tuple inside it, you will need the brackets so that Python knows that you intend this